Hello friends. Do you ever wanted to record your own computer screen and got failed even by installing various applications on your PC? So need not to worry. Now forget about all these apps and get ready to record your PC screen with VLC Media Player. Yes, it is the same VLC Media Player which is being used majorly over the globe. So in this video, I will let you know how to capture or record your PC screen using VLC Media Player. So let's get started. Just open up VLC Player from Startup menu. You need to click on Media, then you need to click on Open Capture Devices, and you can go by using shortcut key, that is Control C. So once you will click on that, you will get one window. As you can see here, you need to drop down the menu and select desktop. Then you can increase the frame per second. By default, it would be 1 frame per second, but at least you need to make it 15, or else better to keep it at 23 frame per second. And now you need to select convert from the drop down menu as shown in the video. You will get a new pop-up window in front of you showing source as a screen. Just you need to browse where you want to save the file. But here you need to remember one thing, you need to provide the file name with file extension. It's better to provide MP4 as file extension. And now click on save and you will get the file path in this section. In case you want to check your PC screen during the recording time in VLC interface, you can check out this option. Anyway, I'm going to start it. So the recording is started and you could see it can record up to 651 hours 27 minutes. And this recording time completely depends upon the space available in your system. And now you can minimize the VLC and do whatever you want to record. So here for an example, I'm opening Microsoft Word. I will type here one line and I will not save this document. So it will be recorded as we all know that VLC is running and it is recording the screen. So it will record all the activity. So I'm not going to save this document. Just here I'm writing one sentence and we will check it out in recording whether it has been recorded properly or not. So let me just complete the statement. I will just fast forward it. Okay, it's done. So the statement is, at present screen recording is in progress and the recording is being performed using VLC Media Player. So I'm not going to save this document. So it is unsaved. However, we will check it out in recording whether that activity has been recorded or not. And now let's open the browser. So I'm doing multiple type of activity so that we can check it out in recording. Whether it is recording properly or not, or it has been recorded properly or not. So right now I have opened the Google homepage and I'm doing something. So I will close this now. So that's it. So here you can see the VLC is still it is running, and again I am opening the browser, and now I will open the Yahoo homepage. So as you could see, the Yahoo homepage is opened and we will check all these things. Whatever I am performing right now means whatever is happening on this screen. So that's it. So I will now close the browser. Oh, one thing I would like to show, and you can even go to the location where your video is getting saved. So I will just go to the destination which I have selected before starting the recording. It's in videos. So here I got my file. So I would like to show you one thing. As soon as I will stop the recording, the video will be processed. See, I have stopped the recording and so video is processed, as you could see. And I will just close the VLC and again open this video either by double clicking, or you can play it with dedicated video player. So here you could see whatever we have recorded from the screen, it is getting played in VLC Media Player. So it's a very easy and very simple. Anyone can record their screen by using VLC Media Player. So I am very thankful to VLC that VLC has given such a great feature in their media player. You remember that I have opened that WordPad and typed one statement, one sentence. So as you could see, I can seek it forward, backward. So it is recorded and it is working very fine. You can even define the frame per second so that the screen capturing session should not miss any frame. And here VLC is having that feature so that you can capture the screen in a proper manner. There is one drawback also. You can't capture a particular window or particular area. You need to capture it in full screen mode. This is the only drawback. And that's it for today. Hope you people got benefited from the video. If you feel that video is informational, please like, share, subscribe, and do press the bell icon to get updated for my upcoming videos. And in case of any query, please post it in the comment section below. Thank you.